Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about VAT Public Clarification which we got today, VAT P029, VAT Public Clarification, Gold Making Charges. This clarification is mainly for gold industry in UAE. There was some issues before that which should be answered, which should be clarified by the FTA on making charges. Now in this clarification, government try to give more clarification what should be the VAT treatment of making charges. We will discuss all the issues regarding making charges in this video. Earlier issue was like gold jewelries, they when they sell jewelry, they charge making charges also separately. Like if you go to the shop buy jewelry, you buy jewelry, they charge two components there. One is gold value, second one is making charges. Now if jewelers are selling to the retail customer, then they are charging VAT on both portion. That is very good, very sufficient. When they are doing sale transaction or purchase transaction between registered party to the another registered party, TRN to TRN, then there is a one cabinet decision number 25 of 2018 is there. 18 is there, which says like if you are doing any as any jewelry sale purchase between TRN to TRN, main component is gold. I am in this video mainly talking about gold only, not covering silver, not covering diamonds. That will be understood in this sprint. Okay, like for gold industry, there is a cabinet decision number 25 2018. There, if TRN to TRN party is selling gold or gold jewelry which is not a zero rated, which is not a pure gold, okay, and then the seller will not account for the VAT, the buyer will account for the BAT. He will book in his books purchase under RCM, he will account for the BAT. Whenever he will going to sell the gold jewelry to any non TRN party which is not a zero rated, like export, okay, then he should charge VAT on that and pay VAT to the government. There was a mainly confusion was TRN to TRN because due to the cabinet decision number 25. In this clarification, government tries to clarify that what should be the treatment for the making charges. Sorry, how people should treat making charges. Here mainly there is one concept of like on single invoice. In single invoice we are seller are showing, like, let me tell you. Very bad writing. 2 minutes. Seller is there, he is selling to any buyer, both are TRN, both are TRN party, TRN registered party. Then when seller selling to the buyer, then there is a cabinet decision number 25, okay, cabinet number 25. Due to cabinet decision number 25, supplier, seller don't charge VAT on that, and buyer take that responsibility. And what all industry doing, industry making invoice, at the time of making invoice, they are showing gold value, then they are showing making charges separately. There is there is article number 4 of cabinet decision number 25 is there, which talk about composite supply, single supply or composite supply. here we have to see if this transaction is a single supply, then the treatment of main item will be done. Okay, if it is not a composite supply, it is a multiple supply, then we have to treat both separately. Okay, now mainly government, this is summary. Okay, detailed analysis we will go. They are saying this clarification only applies to gold and product consisting mainly of gold that do not qualify for zero rating. Zero rating is pure gold 0.99 or more purity plus in the form of tradable in the bullion market plus export sales. These two are the zero rated mainly for the gold. Except these two, other items mean which is 22 carat, 21 carat items. Okay. In those cases, what will happen? There is a mainly reverse charge mechanism when they are dealing with TRN to TRN. In this video, we will talk about only TRN to TRN, because if TRN party is selling to non-TRN means walking customer, that is fully on gold value and making charges, that is a VATable. Okay. What they are saying, this cabinet decision number 25 is apply on goods, not to the services. Okay. Now if on the invoice you are mentioning two items, like we will discuss what is a single composite supply, and single composite supply, there is a three conditions. What then we will consider it as a single supply. The supply consists of the principal component gold item and ancillary incidental element making charges, or these components are so closely linked that constitute a single supply which would be impossible or unnatural to split. Mainly this condition is we have to see, because other two condition is okay, no problem. The price for the gold items and the making charges are not separated. Only one amount should be shown on the invoice. Gold item and making charges are supplied by the same supplier. This is common sense. Okay, here they are saying the making charges should be impossible to split or unnatural. Okay, mainly when TRN wholesale people deal with each other, they mainly focus on making charges, because gold mainly sell on unfixed basis. Okay, they are mainly concerned about this making charges. Here main thing is making charges, and it is a very practical and very common thing, because it's a natural to split. It's nothing about impossible, it's possible. Mainly when you are selling like as a gold jewelry, you are selling gold jewelry with the amount charging, gold jewelry amount you are like writing here, like for one chain you are selling for 4,000 dirham. Let's example. Okay, like here you are not mentioning what is the gold value, what is the making charge, you are not separately mentioning, then it will be come under single composite supply. Okay, because your main concern is to sell that jewelry, not on making charges, because gold value is everyone know it's market value, whatever is my current rate of the gold, that will be the mainly wholesaler focus on earning from making charges. Okay, if your main focus is to sell the gold jewelry, then you will not mention making charges, then that will be single composite supply and cabinet decision number 25 will be applicable. When your main motive is to earn making charges, okay, then you want to accounts for that by you are writing like gold value this much and you are mentioning this much is the making charges, and when we sell unfixed, it does not go to the party ledger also, gold value only, making charges go to the party ledger. Okay, this is the naturally we separated, not impossible, it's possible, it's very easy possible. Okay, then party balance only affected by making charges. All the gold industry peoples are understanding, I know what I am talking. Okay, this is the main thing. And what is the multiple supply, which is not a single supply there, which are not covering their condition, that will be a consider multiple supply. Like gold value is there and making charges are there. Gold on gold item, gold treatment cabinet decision 25 will be applicable. On making charges, that will be a standard rated taxable. Okay. And if we are issuing making charges separate invoice, and date of issue and original date of supply should be mentioned, separate invoice should be there. Okay. And regarding earlier VAT returns which we filed by considering making charges under cabinet decision number 25, what should we do now? Government is saying submit your voluntary disclosure for the incorrect VAT treatment of the supply. Okay, other things are legislative references, article number, cabinet decision number, everything is mentioned in this VAT clarification. I hope you people get more knowledge, and for any consultancy, any detailed analysis of any topic, please let me know. I am inshallah always available to help you guys. Assalamu alaikum.